औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। दिस इज़ द लेक्चर नंबर 8 ऑफ Solidworks. I am engineer Hazrat Ali, student of mechanical engineering department of UET Mardan, from 5th semester. Okay students, so let's start with today lecture. जो ड्राइंग मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया है एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द लेक्चर, उसी को हम बनाने जा रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम 2D ड्राइंग को बनाएंगे और उस 2D ड्राइंग को फिर कन्वर्ट करेंगे 3D ड्राइंग में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग अहेड, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल go to the dimension and convert it into millimeter gram second. So my dimension is in already in mmgs. Okay, so I don't need to change. If your dimension is in inch pound second or cgs or mk system, so convert it into mmgs. Okay, now before proceeding ahead, first of all go to the this panel and select a plane for yourself, and in which plane you are going to draw this drawing. Okay, so I am selecting top plane for myself, sketch. Okay, now go to the sketch and select a center rectangle. Okay, and draw it from here. Okay, click on OK, select a smart dimension, and the length is according to the drawing 75 millimeter, its length, and its width is equal to 50 millimeter. Now click on OK. Convert this 2D drawing into 3D drawing by clicking on features. Go to the features and select extrude boss or base. According to dimension, give 12 millimeter thickness and click on OK. Okay, तो इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, इस टॉप प्लेन को सिलेक्ट करेंगे, स्केच एंड गो टू द नॉर्मल. ओके, इसके बाद go to the sketch and select a corner rectangle and draw it from here. Okay, give the dimension 12 millimeter. After this, select another center corner rectangle and draw it from this point and click on select. Okay, go to the smart dimension and keep the distance between these 2 points 25 millimeter, and the length between these 2 points is also 25 millimeter. Okay, click on OK, and now go to the trim entities. Okay, now go to the feature and select extrude cut, select control this one and click on OK. So let's see. After this, select this top plane again, go to the sketch, now go to the normal, select a corner rectangle and draw it from this point. Go to the smart dimension, the length is 20 millimeter and the width is 25 millimeter. Okay, now go to the picture and give the height of 25 millimeter also. Click on OK. Now go to the sketch, select top plane and normal. Okay, select a corner rectangle this is also 25, so we don't need to change this. Okay, keep it same and change this one to 20 millimeter. Now select this plane, this face, go to the sketch, normal, select line and draw a triangle. Click on OK, go to the features, select extrude boss or base, select surface, sketch plane, go to the extrude boss or base, 25 millimeter, this point, and click on OK. So let's see if you want to add some color. These are the colors you may add. Okay, thank you so much students for watching this video. If you have any kind of query, you may ask in the comment section. Allah Hafiz.